Judy Cooking 360. So today I'm making biscuits. So I measured out 2.5 cups of flour. I had it in the refrigerator. I added a tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of sugar. So I'm just gonna combine those. And then here I have 2 sticks of butter. That was in the refrigerator. It's really cold. And I'm warming up my oven. 465. So here we go. Okay, let's put that aside. Let's just incorporate this a little. Break up your butter a little. Right, you want little pieces, see that? Small pieces. Right here, and I have here buttermilk, which I'm gonna use 1 cup. There we go. Make our biscuits nice and fluffy. So I'm gonna pour the buttermilk slowly. It's already forming a ball. Just to make sure everything right is together. Just gonna add a little bit of flour here, not too much. Start with a little. This is nice and cool. Guys, this is nice and cool. That's what you want. It's the butter that is sticking, so you have to make sure you get it off. All right. So now we're gonna just bring all of this together. We're not gonna play with the dough too much. Because it's biscuit and we want them nice, light, and fluffy. Let's just roll this out as best as we can. Now we're not going to roll them out too much, because you want nice size biscuits. Get some flour here on my rolling pin. If one side is too high, roll that side more than the other side, because we want to keep it even. Okay. Let's raise it up a little. Put some flour underneath. Raise it up a little. Put some flour underneath. Okay. Because we don't want to play too much with our dough. And I have here my biscuit cutter. I'm just trying to make it even, because I want even sizes. The size look a little higher. Okay. Let's go. Don't turn it, just push it down and pull it up. Push it down. Take it up. Let's get one in the back here. You don't have to put them far away from each other. And these will bake for 465, anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. Now you know your oven. You can check it. After 12 minutes. Just bring this together. No playing around with it. You pretty much just want it to be because you don't want, don't behave once you start playing around too long with it. Gently roll it out. And there we go. Nice and cool. That one looks like it's gonna be a little smaller than the rest. See if we can get one here. Nice. Got a good nice one here. And we're sure to get a nice one here. Very good. That's my oven, it's ready. Like I said, guys, 365, 12 to 15 minutes. Now this is all that you do. You don't go playing around with your dough too much. Bring it together. Get your biscuits. Get what you can. Pull that over so you can see. And this, gonna tuck it in here. See what I did there? I just bring this together. Now how it comes out, not to worry, it's gonna be baked and eaten. And this is a dozen biscuits. Okay guys, I'm gonna put these in the oven, and the next time you see them, they'll be fully cooked. See you in a bit. And we're back, guys, with my biscuits. There we go. Now, what I have here is some melted butter that I'm just gonna spread on top. See, they came out really nicely. Nice color, nice even color. Remember this last one? See that? It's gonna be eaten, not to worry. Okay. So now I'm just gonna cut one open. It's hot, but hey, look at that. Look at that, guys. You can see how soft and nice, and the butter is melted through and through on that. There we go, guys. And that's my biscuit. Thanks for watching me on Judy Cooking 360. See you guys next time.